Hello, my fellow YouTubers. Today I am excited to tell you about a new series I'm doing. And I am calling it the 7-Day Freeze-Dried Survival Challenge. What I'm going to do is for 7 days, I'm going to eat only my freeze-dried store that I have back in my storage room. And we're going to be digging out meals that I freeze-dried several years ago, between 5 and 3 years ago. I'm going to try and make them the older stuff, the stuff that I did early on. And each day I'm going to put out a video so that you guys can follow along with my challenge. And what I'll do is I'll reconstitute the meal on the video, tell you what meal it is, reconstitute the meal, and we'll eat that meal, and we'll review the meal, you know, what we liked, what we didn't like, what we changed, how it held up over the years. And yeah, it sounds like a real challenge, and I'm really excited about that. So this is just a short video to announce it. I'm going to start on a Sunday and end on a Saturday in the videos. So each day I will be releasing a video. Now in the description box below the video, what I'm going to do is pin to the top of the comments. Yeah, in the comments section. And I'll pin it to the top of the comments. I'm going to let you know, put a link to the video, the menu for the day that I had, and put a link to the video where I originally made that product that we ate for that day. So it'll have several different links in there for the several different items that I ate during the day. That way you can go, if you see something you like, you can go back and look at how we prepared that many years ago. So that sounds really exciting to me, and I'm looking forward to the challenge. I hope you guys find it interesting. Now, if you do find it interesting, you want to follow along, if you make sure that you've subscribed to my channel, and then if you hit that bell button, the bell button next to the subscribe, I think it is, make sure you ring that bell, because turn that bell on, because that way you'll be notified each day as my new video comes out. So I'm looking forward to the challenge, and I look forward to seeing you and reading your comments on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you for day 1.